children are our future. We all say it, but not all of us do anything to facilitate a positive reality. During July's mass meeting, Mama Yashi and the UNIA held their annual African Rites of Passage, celebrating the achievements of our community's youths.
Members, we say welcome. For those of you coming for the first time, we say welcome, and especially to our youth in excellence achievement who are being recognized today. We send a special welcome to Mama Yashi also, who is the conceptualizer of this annual event that we keep here.
First Garvey lesson, it is only the belief and the confidence that we have in God why man is able to understand his own social institutions and move and live like a rational human being. Take away the highest ideal, faith and confidence in a God, and mankind at large is reduced to savagery and the race destroyed. Marcus Garvey. Give thanks.
To do libations, Gloria Mama G. Sims, who is the Maroon among Paramount Chieftainess. Please make her welcome.
Give thanks. Give thanks to be here. Greetings. Everyone that is present, seen and unseen. Give thanks for the moment. At this time we welcome all the spirit. We invite them into the circle here with us. Ask them to come and drink with us, to be a part of us. As we acknowledge them, as we reach out to them, as we ask for their blessing and their guidance and their instruction. Ancestors, Hashe. You can say Hashe with me, so be it. Amen. Amen. To all our ancestors that is here with us, we say Hashe. And whose shoulder we stand, we say Hashe. We give thanks to the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey this time, who is right here with us, present like our very breath. Hashe. Thanks to all the other ancestors that are within millions, countless millions names that we cannot mention. We acknowledge you all. We give thanks that you are here to drink with us, to be with us, to guide us, to instruct us, to teach us. Just to be here with us, we give thanks. Walk with us from time to time. We give thanks, ancestors. All your ancestors, each and every one that gather here, we acknowledge you and
we also acknowledge our beloved angels and spiritual guides, our Egbe, our celestial community, our Arumale. We honor the Abasum, we honor the Loa, we honor the Arisha. We honor those enlightened ancestors of our divine spiritual lineage. We give thanks and we ask that you are receiving of the offering and the intentions put forth in the children, in the family, in the parents, in the community, in the elders, and the mentors, and the guides.
Second Garvey lesson. This is the day of racial activity when each and every group of this great human family must exercise its own initiative and influence in its own protection Therefore, Negroes should be more determined today than they have ever been, because the mighty forces of the world are operating against non-organized groups of peoples who are not ambitious enough to protect their own interests. Marcus Garvey.
Respect and love, family. Greetings. How are you all? All right, this one called Ancestor Song, because just as Mama G do the rites, we have to wake up the spirits of the ancestors, the nannies in us, Queen Nzinga in all of them. You can call many more, but this one. Mighty, mighty I, mighty you, oh mighty I, mighty, mighty I, and you, oh lion, oh lioness, get up and know you are the mightiest, are telling army lions and the lioness, stand up and know you are the greatest, children of the sun, here since time begun, now you're living in illusion, binding a spell's confusion, them trick you, how them right, convince you that you're wrong, because you not know yourself, you not know yourself, you are the strongest voices in this world, I'm telling I'm a lion, and the lioness, get up and know you are the mightiest, I'm talking to me lions, and the lioness, stand up and know you are the greatest, I say lions, oh lioness, get up and know you are the mightiest, I'm talking to all lions, oh lioness, wake up and know you are the greatest, them have you in amnesia too long, seem like you forget your ancestor song, you're round in a circle and know where you belong, truth is written in vain, and in the end they strain, blood memories are echoing on your vein, you're the coil of the earth, the original strain, open up your minds and break all these chains, dispel these weapons of mind destruction, all of the weapons of mind destruction, all of the goes upon your mind, I say lion, oh lioness.
Here to speak about the Youth Excellence Achievement Recognition, our annual African Rites of Passage, and the conceptualizer of the program. Please welcome Mama Yashi.
So the purpose of this Rites of Passage, our intention, was to empower our youth as they go from one stage into the other. Most of them will be leaving grade 6 and going into high school, which is a big step, big change, new life for them. We wanted to prepare them for this new stage and for life, so they don't go in there blindly. Give them a little bit more information, a little bit more guidance, a little bit more everything as they go forward. So with this intention, we had this day today where the youth gathered with elders, with spirits, with information, with all that we could offer them, everything we could offer them. And we hope that when you see them and speak with them, especially as parents, you'll notice a change or a seed that has been planted in them today.
It's been an honor, really, to work with such amazing, gifted spirits that I've engaged with in our youth. So today they came without fully knowing all of the reasons that they were called to this program, but what resonated most was that spiritually we were called to reunite. We were called to come together on this side of the world, in this part of Africa, the Africa that we've created here within our communities, within our fellowship, within our families. So I'm proud to announce and present to you our new initiates of this 2019 year. Let's welcome them out, please.
The Jinyame, it really means the omnipotence of God, meaning God is all powerful and you should fear no one but God. More details, persons use it just to show their belief in a supreme being, and a lot of persons wear it to show peace and control in their lives. For the Sankofa, that's a little simpler. It really is the importance of learning from the past to inform the present, which I think is really symbolic of these young boys and girls moving and transitioning into a new phase. So they'll take what they have learned from primary level and take it into high school level.
We bear witness to the initiation of these glorious youth, those who will inherit our traditions, those who have inherited our wisdom, and they too will inherit our community. So now we call upon you to share with us, the parents, the elders, the community who is celebrating you today, one thing that you will take away from your process today, one thing that resonated, that you learned.
I learned about the kingdoms in Africa.
Today I learned more about what my name means. I learned that my name Lidge means prince.
And today I learned that drumming is very scarce for the Africans, and they use the drum for their sacred for the Africans, that they drum for regular occasions.
And today I learned that in every village in Africa they use drums.
Today I learned that the food that you eat must be your beds.
And I learned that the first men came from Africa and that they don't teach us this because they would have to ride over all the books.
I learned how the Africans diverged around the continent. And I learned more about our culture and how the Africans came to Jamaica before the Spaniards.
I learned the meaning of my name, that means the man of God, and I also learned about the drums are important to the Africans, so if they're celebrating something, they always use their drums.
I learned my name meaning serve of the Lord, that love to serve.
Wake up Ethiopia, wake up Africa. Let us work towards the one glorious end of a free, redeemed and mighty nation. Let Africa be a bright star among the constellation of nations.
As we send off these young leaders, it's customary to close out the ceremony with dance.